Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a dessert because I haven't done a dessert in such a long time and I do them so rarely. So today we're going to do a cheesecake and we're just going to jump right in. This is a really simple recipe and we're really just focusing on the cheesecake itself. So I'm going to start by using 2 packets of cream cheese and I'm just going to add that to my bowl, and then I'm going to add in some sugar. I'm going in with 2/3 of a cup. And then we are going to go ahead and blend this all together, and this is just going to cream our sugar with our cream cheese. Next I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. This is optional. You can opt out of this step if you don't want it. And then we're going to go in with 1 egg and we are going to blend this in. Again, using our handheld mixer, and then we're going to just scrape down the edges and we're going to go in with another egg. This recipe is so easy to double or triple or whatever because the ingredient ratios are so simple. So I'm going in my second egg. Again, I'm going to blend it till I get a nice silky smooth batter, and then we are done with that and we can set it aside to make our crust. For our crust, you're going to need a cup of Oreo crumbs, and I only had about half a cup's worth, so I had to actually go in with some graham crackers as well, just to make sure I had enough crust for the bottom of my cheesecake. So here are the graham crackers that I have. They are whole graham crackers, so I'm actually just going to take a few of them and put them into this Ziploc bag. This is actually reusable Ziploc bags. And I love the idea of using things that can be reused many times because it's good for the environment, but honestly these Ziploc bags are so difficult to clean, so I think I want to try some different ones and see if I have some better luck. But anyways, I just crushed those graham crackers using my hands and then I added it to the Oreos, and this actually made a really cool looking crust. The crust almost looked marble, but I'm just gonna mix those 2 together, and then I'm gonna take about 1/4 cup of butter and melt it. I'm going to slowly add this. I want to make sure all of the graham crackers and Oreos are moist and like damp, but I don't want them to be wet to the point where it's like a paste. When they're slightly damp, it's just going to make it really easy to mold into the bottom of our spring fold pan, which I am actually preparing right now. So as you saw, I just put the 2 parts of the pan together, and then I'm going to add my crumbs in. And I'm going to press them out with my hand. I want to create an even layer on the bottom, and the perfect part about using a springform pan is that when it's done, it's really easy to remove the cake from the pan, and I'll show you how to do that a little later on. So once you have your crust pressed, we're going to go ahead and add in our cheesecake batter, and then using a rubber spatula we're just going to smooth it out. You can also lift the pan up a little bit and drop it, and that will help get rid of any air bubbles. But we're going to go ahead and place this in the oven and bake at 325 for about 45 minutes to an hour. You want the center of your cheesecake to be just slightly jiggly. Mine right here is actually too jiggly, so I actually popped it back in the oven for a little longer and then I let it cool completely. And you may get these cracks, but I always put fruit filling on top of my cheesecake, so the cracks don't really bother me. And I'm just going in with some canned blueberry sauce, but if you want to know how to make some blueberry sauce, let me know and I can make a video on it. It's super simple. And I'm just going to spread this out really evenly over the cheesecake. And with that, we are done. But before we leave, I'm going to show you how to get this cheesecake out of the spring form pan. Run your knife along the edge, unlock the clasp, and gently wiggle it off, and you will have your beautiful cheesecake waiting for you to eat it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when I upload next, and comment below for what you want to see next time. And until next time, bye!